Hey everybody, welcome back to the homestead. We are out here trying to get rid of the hornworm problem we got going on. We were going really good for a while, but eventually the hornworms found our tomato plants and oh, there's one. So if you don't know, a really easy way to find your hornworms and get rid of them is using a black light at night. They light up. I don't know how well it's showing in the camera, but they glow and you just immediately find them, and you don't have to spend hours searching for them. Just do a good look over. Oh, there's one right there.
My camera skills are shaky. There's mosquitoes all over my earlobes.
Huh?
There's mosquitoes all over my earlobes.
Your earlobes. And sweet, sweet, succulent earlobes.
It's that sweet blood.
Oh, there's one. So they like to come out at night and munch on stuff. So get them while they're out and about. I know some have been over. They're like, damn. These plants look horrible.
I'll water them in the morning. I need to go ahead and take some cuttings of them so we can try to grow them.
Yeah.
A couple weeks after all this
They were growing so good, and then
heat wave.
Oh, there's one. That's a big old
Oh, that's
one.
a big one.
So we're saving these for our chickens in the morning. That's why we're putting them in a bag.
Yeah, they've already gone to bed now.
Yeah. Boy, that heat really kicked in and kicked these plants' butt. But hopefully they'll start putting off new leaves. Especially since they all pretty much got eaten off. They'll go into growth gear again and start growing new stuff. Sorry. I ate a really, really tasty, spicy jalapeno, so my nose is kind of running right now.
That's okay. You're over there sniffling. I'm over here shaking my head because that's all I hear is a psss in my ear. Did you check right here?
Yeah.
You sure?
Well, you see one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, snap. I didn't do the middle. Good eye, mama.
Mm-hmm.
Into the bag.
Because it's easier when I don't have the light on them. Because they glow easier.
There's just so much plant here. It's like...
Our volunteer tomatoes as well.
Oh, there's one. Hey, that's another big old one.
Oh, hun, I am dying out here.
There's another one.
Oh my gosh. Have you not
There's
gotten,
another one.
Have you not gotten bit at all?
No.
Oh, that's right. You eat weird stuff.
Eat weird stuff. I eat this, whatever you cook me, hun. How's
I ate
that
the
weird?
same thing, but it's that negative blood.
Yeah, you got that negative blood. They like that negativity.
Negativity.
So Melissa is O negative. and I'm O positive.
He old full of shit is what it is.
So I don't know. Melissa seems to think that's the reason why mosquitoes love her and pretty much leave me alone. They'll start nibbling at me when, you know, it's really bad and thick out here with mosquitoes. If I'm the only food around, they'll nibble on me, but otherwise they prefer Melissa over me, so I like having her around when I'm out here.
Thanks, that's why. Not the companionship and the love.
Oh, damn, a big old boy.
Watch out for that spider back there.
Yeah, I'm not worried about spider hunting.
I don't want you to hurt him.
Yeah,
Oh man, the mosquitoes are so happy right now. Who's choking?
that's
The dogs?
no, it's a
D?
Flash.
Oh.
Almost done, hon. Don't worry. Oh, there's, dang, 2 of them.
Are they mating?
No, they're eating the fucking
Oh, they're next to
tomato.
each other.
Come on. Dang, I missed that first go around.
Well, it's probably because I had the light on you. It's easier to see without the light.
Yeah. All right.
We can come back up tomorrow?
Yep. So what you want to do is hit them up at least a couple nights in a row and get all of them. But yeah, how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12 of these bad boys. We'll feed them to the chickens in the morning, but yeah, you'll want to do this a couple of nights in a row to do it thoroughly and make sure you get them all. And then hopefully the plan is that your crops will stop getting eaten and they'll start growing again and recuperate. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, a really quick one. If you thought it was helpful, if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, we'd appreciate it. And with that, I hope everybody has a great night.